I'm gonna press record, and that's what you want to do. You can film stuff. I'm gonna open the hood, okay?
Hi. The hood. Can I open it? Can I open it?
Yeah, it's right here. Just lift. Okay, let go.
So
Now, this thing doesn't stay up. So, give me...
the bucket.
No, I need a broom. Where's that stick? No, I mean, we want to clean the engine.
I know. Look at that.
But I want to prop this thing up. The hood struts are completely destroyed.
Couldn't. See the tire? It's jammed. The lip is crushed. And got to roll this away. Things. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gross.
Need to.
Hold on.
That's what needs to clean. It's blowing out. We are gonna. If you wanna see us do more videos, just click the subscribe button. I'm not done with this video yet. So here's the thing. Here's a oil change things.
There's literally moss growing in here. This car has not... Look, there's moss up here. Film that. Look, there's moss. This car's been sitting for quite a while.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call this thing the fire truck?
Yeah.
That's what you want to call it?
Yeah.
I think that is a cool name.
Yeah, because it's red.
It's a big red truck. Not really a truck, but...
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, film that. That's gross. There's a lot of dirt in here.
A lot of dirt.
There's a lot of dirt.
And leaves.
Yeah. It's deep. It's gonna allow me to open this.
Yeah.
This hasn't been opened in a long time.
Can I try?
Yeah. I gotta get something. Hold on.
You did it. Dun, 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 dun. You? I'm gonna boss. Good thing you pulled that off.
There's one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still filming. Yeah, that's foul. Look at that. Gross.
So gross.
Got a new one.
Can I put that in?
Just look at them for comparisons.
Wow.
Seriously. We should get that out too. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Everything fits back on. Everything clips back into place.
Can I? Oh.
That's it. That's how you change the filter.
It's kind of like icing. What does that do? Kills all the germs?
I mean, apparently, it's supposed to. You just scrub it. Hey, get over here. Just scrub it in there. Whoa. I mean, this is really dirty. This is years of dirt.
Yep.
I'm just trying to...
Years and years and years. Many, many years.
Many years of dirt. Now we can do this since there's literally no battery in the car. There's no electricity we can mess up. But we want to be quick with it and not silly.
Look over here. Bring the other way. That's what it looks like when it's done.
That looks brand new.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks brand new. Now we just have to scrub it.
That's it, just air dries. Look at that.
What?
Brand new. Wow, that's really impressive.
Yep. And then that's it.
And you go, that's it.